Gold, the metal that built empires, inspired legends, and shaped the destiny of civilizations, does not simply appear as the shiny treasure we see in jewelry stores or vaults. Its journey is ancient, violent, and incredibly complex. To understand how gold is found and separated from other metals, we must travel back billions of years into the very heart of the planet. Gold is formed in extreme cosmic events. Scientists believe much of Earth's gold originated from exploding stars, supernovae, and neutron star collisions. These unimaginable forces forged the heavy atoms we know as gold and later delivered them to the young Earth through meteorites. Over eons, these particles sank deep into the planet's crust, becoming trapped in molten rock. This is why gold is found in two main forms today: placer deposits, found in riverbeds and ancient stream channels, and lode deposits, found locked inside hard rock formations. Prospectors and geologists begin their search by analyzing landscapes that once experienced volcanic or tectonic activity. They study quartz veins, soil chemistry, the presence of minerals such as pyrite and chalcopyrite, and even satellite imagery that reveals hidden geological structures. Ground-penetrating equipment and electromagnetic scanners help locate ore bodies buried hundreds of meters below the surface. Once a promising area is found, exploratory drilling extracts core samples that reveal how much gold, and if any, lies underground. If the deposit is rich enough, mining begins. Placer mining uses the natural movement of water to separate gold from lighter materials. Miners use pans, sluice boxes, and high bankers that take advantage of gold's high density. As water flows through the equipment, sand and gravel wash away, while gold particles settle and become trapped. Larger operations may use dredges that vacuum sediments from riverbeds, revealing fine flakes of gold hidden beneath layers of rock. Hard rock mining is far more industrial. Massive drills carve deep into the earth to reach gold-bearing ore. Explosives break apart rock that has been untouched since prehistoric times. The ore is transported to a processing plant where the real transformation begins. The first step is crushing and grinding. Machines reduce the ore to gravel, then to sand, and finally to a fine powder. This powder contains gold, but also quartz, iron sulfide, copper, silver, and dozens of other minerals. To isolate the gold, miners use sophisticated chemical and physical processes. One of the most important is gravity separation. Since gold is one of the densest natural materials on Earth, it sinks while other minerals remain suspended. Shaking tables, spirals, and centrifugal concentrators exploit this difference, pulling out free gold particles. But gold rarely occurs alone. In many ores, the gold is chemically bound to sulfides or other metals. To release it, a process called flotation is used. Chemicals cause gold-bearing minerals to attach to air bubbles and float to the surface, where they are skimmed off as a frothy concentrate. For complex ores, the most widely used method is cyanidation. The powdered ore is mixed with a cyanide solution that dissolves gold at the molecular level. The gold-rich liquid, called pregnant solution, is then treated with zinc powder, causing pure gold to precipitate out. Although cyanide sounds dangerous, the process is tightly controlled and vital for producing most of the world's gold. When the gold has been separated from impurities, it is melted in furnaces at temperatures over 1000 degrees Celsius. During smelting, the molten gold sinks to the bottom, while lighter impurities rise to the top as slag and are removed. What remains is extremely pure gold, often reaching 99.99%. The gold is then poured into molds forming bars, coins, or ingots. Sometimes it is alloyed with other metals like copper or silver to create jewelry with different colors and strengths. At last, after millions of years hidden beneath the earth, gold emerges in its final brilliant form. From cosmic explosions to hydrothermal fluids, from ancient riverbeds to high-tech processing plants, gold's journey is one of the most extraordinary stories in the natural world. It reminds us that even the most precious treasures begin as tiny particles shaped over unimaginable spans of time, and unlocked only through human curiosity, science, and determination. Thank you for staying with me until the very end of this journey. If this video inspired you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this story. Your support doesn't just grow this channel, It strengthens a community of people who seek knowledge and truth. May God bless you abundantly, guide your steps, protect your home, and open doors no one can shut. Stay strong, stay curious, and may God's light be with you always.